Sheesh. Sheesh. This build is insane. This is insane. This is the hardest Z I might have seen in operator and on the north side. I got the steering wheel on the gang, what's good? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Six. You already know what's going on, man. Today we finna hit a quick meet. Hopefully my boy pull up. He was supposed to pull up with me with the he got his 335 with him. Supposed to pull up. He's not answering the phone. I think he with a female. Y'all know how that goes. I ain't worried about it. We still finna hit the meet. I'm still finna get a little bit of content for y'all, man. My boy that was supposed to pull up on me with 335, he got a 435. He's the one that got that 435 that I was on my channel with the full photons tuned up and everything, 450 horsepower. He just got a big boost. Actually, no, not big boost. He got a pure turbo, pure 800 turbo. He threw it in the whip and he blew it within 2 weeks. He blew the turbo. The turbo in his car blew. It exploded last night while he was getting pulls in on the highway. So we got to get a whole new turbo. So he got his 335 right now. He's supposed to pull up on me, E92. He's not answering. I ain't really stunting it. But I got big news for y'all because I got the M Sport front bumper. It's on the way. It's supposed to pull up. It's supposed to be here on Monday. So it's gonna be here in 2 days. I'm gonna throw that on. I'm gonna get a video for that too, y'all. I'm gonna check. I'm gonna let y'all see what that looks like. Cause that's gonna be super tough. Once I put that M Sport bumper on, get them side skirts, get the carbon lips and the carbon extensions, we're gonna be on the way to getting the car wrapped. Y'all know once we get the car wrapped, it's really up there and stuck there. And it's gonna be going stupid. The F30 gonna be the hardest F30 in Atlanta. No cap. No cap. But yeah, gang, we're on the way to the meet. I ain't gonna do too much talking. We're just finna pull up over there and see what kind of cars they got out tonight. It's supposed to be a nice little chill meet. I'm finna just roll around, see what they got, because we on the north side where the money at. So y'all know it's gonna be some fire whips out. Y'all just know that. M3 I just passed. But yeah, gang, let's go pull up to the meet. Catch y'all when we get there. Yo, this meat deep. I ain't finna capture y'all, yo. Let me walk around real quick. I'm finna show y'all what we working with today, yo. This meat deep as hell, gang. Let me get a quick walk around for y'all, man. Where my keys at? Y'all know the vibes, man. We outside on the north side with it. You know I gotta get the F30 on camera real quick though, so y'all can see what we working with today, man. Beautiful M Sport. Got the M Sport bump on the way. Don't play with him. Don't play with him. Don't play with him. Don't play with him. M Sport front bumper. Yeah, that motherfucker on the way. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Let's walk around real quick though, gang. There's a lot of heat out here today. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. Old school.
I will do it.
Oh my God. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. There's some heat out here today. Miata vibes? Yeah, motherfucker's low as hell too. That bitch low as shit. Bro. Salvatronic vibes?
You spend $2,000 and be like,
Salvatronic vibes? Come on. Whoa. This is fire. E92 M3, this is fire too. Y'all know I gotta come across the street, catch the vibes over here. Y'all know I gotta catch the vibes on this Z right here. This is a crazy ass build. This build is insane. This is insane. This is the hardest Z I might have seen in operator and on the north side. I got the steering wheel on the dash, bro. Stop playing. That shit is fire. This shit is fire, yo. There's some fire out here. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Nah, I want a Z. I ain't gonna lie, I low-key want a Z. I'm not gonna lie, I low-key want a Z. Like, I low-key want a Z. Sheesh. 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 This you right here? It's fire. This is fire. Sheesh.
This one has made his trunk so heavy he doesn't want to stay up.
Oh,
That's why, yeah.
Sheesh. 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 Hey, we outside. Oh my God. There's too many cars out here. Too many cars. Them 4 vibes. Excuse me, I'm sorry. Them 4 vibes. Carbon lip with the spoiler. That's a fire ass setup. This shit is fire. This shit right here is fire, yo. No, I gotta catch it on the GoPro. This is fire. Damn, bro. The cars be popping out to the north side, man. 135 off. Jesus, look at the fitment. Look at the fitment on this. The fitment on this is insane. Yo, y'all catching the fitment on this? Scat pack. Yeah, he nice though. He nice though. He nice. He nice. He nice. I want to race him, but he nice. I'll race him, but he's nice. Not here. I don't know about this one though. I ain't racing this one. Jeez Louise. Goodness. I told y'all we was on the north side where the money at. Y'all thought I was lying. We on the north side where all the money at. Where all the money at. Good God Almighty. Jesus. Sheesh. So many cars out here right now. Oh my God. E90 M3, fire setup. E92 M3, fire. All the M's is out right now. Fire. Yo, the rollout is gonna be crazy. Crazy rollout. Fire. Sheesh. Sheesh. Oh my God, they outside. Not the Apexes. No, he's on Apexes. Now this is a fire ass setup, bro. Niggas got fire setups out here today. Bro, there's too many fire setups out here. This shit is insane. Let me walk across the street. Beam a gang. I told you they outside right now. They are outside right now. M3 vibes. Sheesh. Sheesh. These M's though, all these M's out here are insane. Golly, bro. This is an insane whip right here. Y'all know I gotta catch this. Lotus vibes? They brought the Lotus out? Oh, they got the heat out here right now. Oh my gosh. I told y'all we was on the north side with all the heat at. I can't even compete with these boys. They got all the M's out. Make my 328 look like it's ass, man. My shit look bummy. Hold on, let me go catch these M's over here in the corner. They ducked off. There's some more M's out here. There's some more. Let me catch them real quick. Let me go see what they're talking about, y'all. 435. Now we got some basic whips out here, but they got VRSF. They might got a downpipe in there. They might got a downpipe in there. We catch these 2 cats over here. They chilling. Sliders. Tandem vibes. Sheesh. 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 Told you these M's was over here trying to hide, man. They was over here trying to hide. F80 M3. F80 M3, man. Can't go wrong with the F80 M3. This was my dream car. I couldn't afford it. Couldn't afford the F80 M3, but hey, I'm building my F30 to be something crazy. I couldn't afford the F80 M3. I'm building my F30 to be something crazy though, gang. I promise y'all.
Sheesh. It's got full racing amp EFI, full setup.
Sheesh.
They made everything custom for me. And the looms, it's 106 joule cold packs instead of 52 joules.
Oh, nice. Yeah. So like you probably more aggressive timing, like 85, all that.
Ooh, y'all know I rock with the E's, the E series. I know I rock with the E series. I need a drift car, man. Damn, look at the wing on this. Nah, that's fire. That's fire, yo. I can't even cap. That's fire as hell. Got the wing on the back. That's fire. There's hella cars out here, bro. I swear it's 2 Lambos posted right here, just chilling, yo. I told y'all we on the north side where the money at. I told y'all we on the north side where the money at, bro. Good God. Goodness. Goodness gracious. I gotta get this on the snap.
No, I'm not joking. I have. They put a daisy chain. They put a splitter in for the daisy chain.
Why this McLaren just chilling like this? Why they got the McLaren just chilling? Low as hell, just chilling it, cooling it like nothing's going on. Crazy sounding AMG. Oh my gosh. Good night. Oh my goodness. And then y'all know you got my F30 over here. I'm just chilling. I'm not even really in the mix, man. I'm just over here chilling, man. I'm just over here chilling. I'm not in the mix. I'm not ready, yo. I can't compete. I can't compete with these cats, yo. But there y'all got it, man. Crazy Northside meet. All the cars out. The Northside where the money at, where all the fire cars gonna be at. I told y'all. I told y'all there's gonna be some money over here. Y'all seen Lambos, McLarens, Lotuses, Porsches, F80s, E92s, E90 M3s, everything. M4s, convertibles, all the 370Zs with all the mods on them. Crazy shits. I told y'all they was gonna be out. Hopefully when we roll out of here, we're gonna get some pools on the highway or something, man. But hey, I'm finna go chop it up with some guys about their build, see what they got done to the Beamer. You know I'm gonna talk to the Beamer cats. Appreciate y'all for tapping in though, gang. The video not over with though. We still got some more content coming tonight. And I got the Insport bumper coming on Monday. I'm gonna do a video the same day I get it. We lit, gang. We lit. Let's tap in. Look, I'll be right back. Let's get it. Jeez. Oh. M4 vibes. Yo. I've never been inside an M4 before. I've never been inside an M. And this is fire. So my dog right here, he had an M235. I seen him with it like 2-3 weeks ago. He totaled it, read up on the M4. Y'all can't even see too well right now. Golly. Totaled it, read up on the M4. This is fire though. He say he likes the M4 more than the M2. He say this car scares him. It's so crazy. Jeez, this is fire. Carbon wing, carbon roof. Just ran into him at a meet and he's got a fucking M4, bro. This shit is legendary. I'm not gonna lie, he's lit. That's how it goes though. You on one car, total it, you gotta re-up on another one. That's how it goes. It's just the way of the car life, man. I ain't gonna lie. I want an M. I might need, nah, I'm not even gonna say that. 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 But this is fire though. All these cars out here is fire. This you right here? Blue right here? Sheesh. Yeah. Sheesh. V10. I know this is. I got a clip of it earlier when it was sunny. I didn't know this was your car. This is fire though. Any mods? Any performance mods?
Lower 2 inches, spacers on the wheels. That's a bigger wing.
Bigger wing, yeah, carbon.
Rear canards, engine painted orange.
It's got a Quicksilver exhaust, so it's got all the pops and bangs.
Pops and bangs, that's what we like, that's what we like. Y'all heard of me, got pops and bangs, that's what we like. I know this shit's fine. How many horsepower?
Right now it's 540 wheel.
540.
So the twin turbo that I'm looking at is, no joke, it's 1209 wheel. But it's 77,000, so I'm saving for it. Make sure you get on video. I'm saving for it.
He's saving for it. 77 grand. Jeez. Nah, I got a Beamer over there. That's on the other side of that green truck, but it's I'm not touching this though. It's a F30, 2014, 328.
Okay.
I got an intake, engine intake. I just ordered a downpipe. I got an import rear bumper on the back. I got an import front bumper coming in on Monday.
Cool.
So I just do a little mods. I got my channel. I just do all the little mods too. I got it lowered on H&Rs. I got Bilstein B8 struts.
Wow, you done a lot.
Yeah.
Cool.
I don't have a tune yet, but I've lowered it. I got carbon wind. I got a carbon spoiler. I wrapped my carbon interior with vinyl. Yeah, I did a lot of stuff to it. I've had it for like a year.
Yeah.
It's pretty cool. It's not touching these M's and all these M3s and everything, but it's pretty cool though.
Sounds like you've done a lot though. It's pretty cool.
That Super is crazy loud.
Yeah.
I gotta catch the startup on this though. It's like quiet, but the startup is crazy. It's like the startup is crazy and then it just goes quiet. It's like, yeah, I like that though.
Start though, it just runs like, the RPMs are so loud because it's heating up the cats. And it's just like, wow.
Sheesh. M3 pulling out. Why he leaving so quick? M3 is out here, yo. Shit's fire. See you later. Oh! Malvatronic? Y'all know I gotta show some love to the F30. I ain't gonna lie though, my dog needs a wing on here, but other than that, got the Apex wheels, Sport package, LCI. Yeah, this is fire though. This is fire. I'm gonna lie. One more. You good. Oh my gosh. Holy shit. The meat coming to an end, gang. The meat coming to an end.